The arrival of the Silverado EV will be more than just the debut of a new vehicle. It will be a watershed moment that redefines what a pickup truck can be. The Silverado line of trucks has been an industry leader for many years, setting the standard for innovation, power, luxury, and other desirable traits in the pickup market. Such features will soon include advanced electric motors, aerodynamic refinements, state-of-the-art connectivity, acceleration on par with or exceeding that of sports cars, and much more. You're watching Tech Addicts. Let's roll into the video to find new roads. Although it shares its electric engine with the bombastic GMC Hummer EV, the 2024 Chevy Silverado EV resembles a more traditional take on the electric pickup truck. This is despite the fact that it was designed to compete with the GMC Hummer EV. A feature that some people may find evocative of the now-defunct Avalanche pickup truck from the early 2000s is an available midgate design that allows users to fold down the wall between the bed and the cab for more storage space. This function's available on all available midgate configuration. It is believed that a huge battery pack can provide up to 400 miles of range on a single charge, and that technology that allows for DC fast charging can provide the battery an additional 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Although Chevrolet has not disclosed all details and specifications pertaining to the pickup, the company has stated that it would be manufactured in Michigan at the same plant that will produce Hummers. When it finally goes on sale, the Chevrolet Silverado EV will be up against fierce competition from not only the Ford F-150 Lightning, but also from innovative new products like the Rivian R1T and the Tesla Cybertruck. Only half of the tale is told by the remarkable range that comes with the release date of the Silverado EV. This enormous battery capacity contributes to the truck's power, allowing it to outrun other vehicles in its class. To be more specific, the most recent calculations from the manufacturer indicate that the vehicle is capable of producing a maximum power rating of 660 horsepower and 780 pound-feet of torque. It's possible that this will allow you to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in fewer than 4.5 seconds. This pickup truck is equipped with an optional four-wheel drive steering function, which gives it the revolutionary agility to navigate city streets and congested parking areas. The Silverado EV will make your daily commutes and long road excursions just as stress-free, as it is equipped with even more outstanding optional features, such as technology called Super Cruise and air ride suspension. Prices, colors, and options for the Silverado EV. Please get in touch with us as soon as the Silverado EV release date approaches so we can provide you with a precise price range. For the time being, however, we are able to say that it will be quite competitive among the other electric trucks on the market thanks to the Ultium technology. In terms of hues, we have seen official photographs from the manufacturer of a Silverado EV in a dark blue color, a shiny silver color, and a grayish black color. Each of these three color schemes features a cladding that is a rough, dark gray. We anticipate that a gas-powered Silverado will be offered in the majority of its current color options, if not all of them. The Silverado EV's popular WT or work truck and RST or rally sport truck trims are both included in the lineup of currently available and verified trim levels. We are looking forward to seeing the desirable gas-powered Silverado options such as the LT or luxury truck trim join the electrified portfolio when the Silverado EV goes on sale, which is likely to bring a large number of additional vehicles. The engine, the power, and the performance. The Silverado EV will only be powered by 2 electric motors, in contrast to the Hummer EV, which comes with up to 3. The configuration should still deliver strong acceleration performance, and Chevrolet states that the most powerful trim level, the RST, has a horsepower rating of at least 664 horsepower. The most basic trim level, WT, is satisfied with 510 horsepower. Both all-wheel drive and a 4-wheel steering system come as standard features. Those who purchase a truck with the RST model will discover that it comes equipped with an adjustable air suspension. A pair of enormous and stylish 24-inch wheels is an additional purchase option. The suspension of the Silverado EV will most likely be upgraded in the Trail Boss variant, which will result in the addition of locking differentials, hefty all-terrain tires, and other adventure-ready components. Towing capacity as well as payload capacity. At the time the Silverado EV goes on sale, the maximum towing capability of the RST variant will be 10,000 pounds, while that of the WT model will be 8,000. Chevrolet has said that they would ultimately add a model to their portfolio that has a towing capacity of 20,000 pounds. Battery life, charging capacity, and operating range. The innovative Ultium battery technology developed by General Motors will be used in the Silverado EV. This technology can be scaled up to provide a battery pack with a capacity of up to 200 kilowatt hours. According to Chevrolet, this will enable the Silverado EV to have a driving range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. Nevertheless, the range you get in real life will be different, particularly if you pull a trailer, which the Silverado EV should be able to do with a reasonable amount of comfort. DC fast charging capability will come standard, and Chevrolet claims that the battery can receive an additional 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes when charged at a public DC charging station. Cargo space, interior design, and amenities. We had the opportunity to have a look inside the fully loaded RST model, and we were blown away by what we found within. This particular pickup has a glass roof that was permanently installed, two-tone leather seats in black and white with red stitching, and about the same amount of passenger room as a standard Silverado crew cab pickup truck. The designers at Chevrolet decided to go with a column-mounted stalk rather than a console-mounted shifter. This decision frees up room for a large storage bin to be located between the dashboard and the middle armrest of the vehicle. Connectivity and informational entertainment. Every model will include a dashboard that is almost entirely digital and will come standard with a touchscreen information and entertainment system measuring 11 inches and a digital gauge display of 8 inches. Purchasing the most expensive RST trim level grants access to a larger infotainment screen measuring 17 inches, as well as a gauge display of 11 inches. Both of these systems are modifiable according to the preferences of the driver, but happily, the climate controls are still analog knobs that are housed in a thin panel in the lower portion of the dashboard. This makes them very easy to access. Although Chevrolet has not yet provided all the details regarding the infotainment system that will be included in the Silverado EV, we anticipate that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be included as standard features. In-dash navigation, SiriusXM satellite radio, and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot will also be included in the package. Characteristics relating to protection and help in the driver. Although Chevrolet has not provided details on all of the basic driver assistance features that will be included in the Silverado EV, we have been informed that the hands-free Super Cruise system will be available, at the very least on the RST trim level that is the most expensive. Visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety for additional details regarding the outcomes of the crash test performed on the Silverado EV. The outcomes of this can be broken down into two categories. The first is that the Silverado EV will be included in a lineup of other Chevy EVs that have prices that are comparable to those of their competitors. The second advantage is that the cutting-edge battery architecture enables the electric capabilities to be increased to levels that are extremely competitive. When will the Silverado EV be available for purchase? The launch date does not currently have a certain day that has been officially announced by the manufacturer, but as we have more information regarding the release date of this exciting new electric truck, we will be sure to update the Silverado EV video for you. For the time being, we can tell you that if you make a reservation for a Silverado EV now, it is possible that it will not arrive until the fall of 2023. If you hold off until the Silverado EV is on sale at dealerships, you won't be able to purchase one until sometime during the summer of 2024 at the earliest. Well, indeed, it's like a rock, and that's it for today's video. We'll be right back. Until then, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.